Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Chainlink at number 22, followed by Leo token, Stellar, Monero, OKB, Ethereum Classic, Cosmos Hub. Okay, we ended with Cosmos Hub at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Chainlink against BTC. Here we are for Chainlink. We're down in a very nice falling channel. The question we have is, we always have the question, is this the bottom of the channel? Are we going to start consolidating and breaking the resistance line for good? Yes? No? We are not too sure ourselves. It would be great if we could also break the skinny pink line together. Yeah, it's parallel. Anyway, so I think that if we were to break the skinny pink line, we'll probably break the resistance line as well. So at this point of time, again, we still don't see any clear reversals yet. We kind of like it that we're falling in a very controlled manner. Right, but I suspect there's still potentially more downside. Doesn't look like a bottom to me. Yeah, again, Chainlink BTC doesn't really look that good at the moment, technical wise. Chainlink against USD. Okay, I kind of like what I could see the potential of it turning into. Chainlink against USD could be forming an inverse head and shoulders, maybe a right shoulder over here. It's very dirty though, in the sense that we are in and out of the skinny pink line. So yeah, it's not really that clear. But if we were to see a proper breakout towards the upside, we're expecting it to hit towards $15. 7 to 15 is 100%. More downside? Yeah, looks like more downside, right? There's a very big sell over here. Look at this, a shooting star. So selling pressure is coming in to pull the price lower for Chainlink. Do we have any targets? No. There are clusters of stop sells here and here and here and here. Yeah, so we could be sweeping up all of these stop sells before reversing back up. Could we drop all the way back down as well? Yeah, of course we could. So nothing for us to work with at the moment. Leo against BTC. Here we are for Leo. Leo has been on a rise. Okay, there's a spike in volume though. So I'm like, what's happening? Are shorts being open? Or are we buying, accumulating to reverse back up? Not too sure myself. We still have a target over here at 9888. We're still expecting more downside for Leo BTC. We are under the skinny pink line. So yeah, again, we still stay with our bearish bias for Leo BTC as long as we're under the skinny pink line. The moment we're out, yeah, then of course we'll switch bullish. But for now, I think there's still more downside. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Leo BTC. Leo USD. Yeah, Leo USD is already out of the skinny pink line. So could this be an outlier, right? Everyone is actually, turning red. But could this be an outlier for Leo, right? As Leo hits higher, look at the past 24 hours. Right, only stable coins are green, green, green. Leo is not a stable coin. You see that? Do you see that? So there could be a bullish reversal from here. We've broken out of the resistance of the falling channel. So maybe a spike out? Again, we're not entirely sure. The BTC pair is still bearish. So again, we're going to have to take things one step at a time. We don't see any clear bullish reversal. Neither do we see clear bearish continuation. So again, nothing much that we can do about it except to be patient and to wait for the Leo wheels to do their thing. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Here we are for Stellar. Anything for Stellar? No. We're almost breaking back under the skinny pink line, right? This is a very nice squeeze potentially that could be coming for Stellar. And we could be breaking out. This would be awesome. But yeah, we're pulling away from the resistance line, which is not good. We want to go close to the resistance line, hang around the resistance line, and then break it. This is what we want to see. We don't want to break back down far away from the resistance line. We don't want to see this. Yeah, so again, if BTC falls, very likely XLM BTC is also going to be falling lower. We'll probably find some support over here at 384 if and when it falls. So at this point of time, yeah, again, I wouldn't be doing anything. I think that Stellar Lumens might be heading lower, but I don't see the bearish reversal over here when things were rising. We went above the skinny pink line, but before we break back down for real, for good, we got something like a head and shoulders over here before we collapse lower. So could we be getting something like this and heading lower? We could. No indication yet. Could we just zip low? Of course. There's just nothing much for us for Stellar Lumens BTC. The USD pair for Stellar Lumens, we're still above the skinny pink line. So which means that the trend is still bullish for Stellar. We're still anticipating the possibility of Stellar reversing and continuing higher. The only question we have is how much lower are we going to go? Right. If you look over here, the wicks are already longer at the bottom, which means that buying pressure is coming in to push the price higher. Right. We actually took out the stop sells over here, but we haven't found true support yet. So we might be heading towards 11 cents. We might even bridge back under 10 cents before seeing any sort of a reversal. We're above the skinny pink line though, so we remain with our bullish bias for Stellar Lumens against USD. BTC, it has potential, but yeah, again, we're not entirely sure, right? Stellar Lumens has a knack of doing things like this. We broke the skinny pink line, retested, out, retested, and then continuing. So could this be a retest and zip up, retest, zip up, out? Possibly. Again, we're still not entirely sure. No clear high quality chart patterns for us for Stellar Lumens. Monero against BTC. What's up with Monero? Any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern? No, we don't. We're expecting a high quality consolidation over here, right? This is like a W. What? Another W. What? Right. A symmetrical triangle we're expecting. So we're also expecting a little bit more downside to come for Monero BTC. And if we were to do what we expect it to do, this is going to take several months. It may even take 1 year before we complete it. So a little bit more downside before the curve comes in. So yeah, there you go for Monero BTC, Monero USD. Here we are for Monero USD. Any clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern? No. We're above the skinny pink line though. And this whole thing could be an A, B, C, D, E, right? A, B, C, D, E. We're above the skinny pink line. If you could just stay above the skinny pink line, zip out. Absolute best bullish case for Monero. We could be heading towards $200 and above, potentially 300. We'll take it one step at a time, but yeah, the potential is there for us to hit higher. Right, this is a very nice squeeze that has already come on for Monero, and we're falling in a very controlled manner. So I like this, to be honest. I really truly like this, but I don't see any buying pressure yet. This whole thing could turn into a hammer, right? Hammer is a potential bullish reversal candlestick. Let me see if I can find any hammers. Hammers. Okay, do you see this? We got a hammer, right? This was a downtrend that came. Hammer, reverse back up. Ta-da! Right, of course we drop lower as well. Again, if we get a hammer in the smaller time frames, the bullish continuation could be coming for Monero. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. OKB is the only coin, in my opinion, with the highest quality chart pattern. On the USD pair, on the BTC pair, we still have a target over here at 0.0033. We've already touched the skinny pink line. So are we about to head lower? Could we be rallying and zipping back down? Zipping back down? Not too sure. This is a very nice base, right? Very solid foundation that OKB broke out from. And this is a very nice kind of a consolidation that would push OKB's price higher against BTC. But we've touched the skinny pink line, so be a little bit more careful because things could still zip much lower. Again, in terms of technicals, it's just not as clear for OKB BTC. OKB USD is where the party is at. OKB against USD, very beautiful symmetrical triangle. That's about to complete, in my opinion. Well, we had a target over here, $75 ever since January, way back in January. Now it's already August. It's already 8 months. And we're still expecting more upside for OKB, right? $75. This could be a very nice consolidation that could bring us very well towards almost $100. I don't know if you're going to be breaking 100, but we are heading towards $100. Triple digits is the dream for the OKB whales. So yeah, this is a very nice symmetrical. And this is another nice, symmetrical. So yeah, more upsides to be expected for OKB at this point of time. Ethereum Classic ETC against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum Classic. Yeah, I was still expecting these lows to be taken out. We were, previously, we were hoping for a very nice squeeze, but it didn't come. So yeah, it zipped lower, took out all the stop sells over here, zip back up, took out anybody who had a short over here, and then it came back down. So it's like, bro, that's brutal. Ethereum Classic against USDT. Yeah, again, we're not entirely sure what is this. What is this? More downside? Yeah, potentially. We were hoping for this to be a very nice squeeze, but again, we're not sure if this is going to hold. So we're gonna have to give Ethereum Classic the whales more time to do their thing, right? If we did something like this, then great, right? We could be breaking higher. Very nice consolidation. But yeah, at this point of time, we're not entirely sure. Could we take out lows? Of course. No clear high quality moves on the smaller time frames. Bigger time frame, yes, but not on the smaller time frames. Atom against BTC, Cosmos Hub. Again, we're expecting these lows to be taken, so a little bit more downside. Could we just zip off? Of course we could. Of course we could, for sure. Again, any clear? Yeah. We're looking at a big picture for Cosmos Hub. We're expecting a very nice squeeze to complete. And then a big breakout for Atom. That would be awesome, right? That would be so fantastic. But again, we still expect more downside, so yeah, be careful while rushing in. Atom USD, very poor technicals. No clear high quality tradable chart pattern ever since okay, let's call this a descending triangle over here, right? A variety of a mountain range zip down. Again, you can also argue that this is something like a mountain range that we are zipping down from. You can also argue that we could be getting bigger mountain ranges over here to zip much lower. For sure. But yeah, we still expect these lows to be taken. No clear signs of a proper high quality, tradable chart pattern. Not at this moment, right? So yeah, be careful. Be very, very careful. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!